Chapter 6 Addition and Subtraction up to 20. Let's recall. Help the tortoise Tom to reach the finishing point by solving the addition sums. Color the squares brown that have a total of 10 in them. You can complete this activity. I have pores all over my body, but I still hold water. Solve and match each answer with the letter in the clue box to know what I am. You can complete this activity. Let's move forward. Addition. In each set, group 10 starts to make 110. Then write its addition fact. One has been done for you. 110 plus 2 ones, which is 12. 110 plus 7 ones, which is 17. 10 plus 2, which is 12. 10 plus 7, which is 17. 110 plus 5 ones, which is 15. 110 plus 9 ones, which is 19. Adding two single-digit numbers to get a two-digit number. There are 5 red crowns and 8 yellow crowns. How many crowns are there in all? Let us make a group of 10. We have 1 10 and 3 ones, which is 13. Hence 5 plus 8, which is 13. Thus there are 13 crowns in all. Practice coach. In each set, first make a group of 10. Then count and write the addition facts in two ways. One has been done for you. 6 plus 9, which is 15. Same way 6 plus 9, which is equal to 10 plus 5, which is 15. The same way you need to solve these two problems. For each picture, make a group of 10 and fill in the boxes. Then match each picture with the sum showing the addition in it. Use a different color to match each picture. One has been done for you. Can complete this activity. Adding a single digit number to a two-digit number. Add and write the addition facts. One has been done for you. 14 plus 4, which is 18. 15 plus 4, which is 19. 16 plus 2, which is 18. Put dots on the domino cards for the given numbers. Then add up the dots and fill in the boxes. One has been done for you. 6 plus 11, which is 17. 13 plus 3, which is 16. 4 plus 12, which is 16. Add and test how quick you are. 2 plus 13, which is 15. 10 plus 2, 12. 4 plus 11, 15. 5 plus 12, 17. Add the numbers. Color the image orange if the answer is in between 10 and 15. Color the image yellow if the answer is in between 15 and 20. Color the image blue if the answer is equal to 10, 15 or 20. You can complete this activity. Addition using number strip. Add 15 plus 4. Keep your pencil on 15 and move forward 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 to reach 19. Thus 15 plus 4, which is 19. Use the number strip to add the following. 7 plus 5, 12. 9 plus 7, 16. 15 plus 3, 18. 14 plus 5, 19. 8 plus 5, 13. 11 plus 4, which is 15. 12 plus 5, which is 17. 13 plus 6, which is 19. 8 plus 3, 11. 9 plus 2, 11. 12 plus 7, 19. 14 plus 3, 17. 18 plus 1, 19. 15 plus 1, which is 16. Subtraction. Surbhi filled air in 18 balloons. 5 of the balloons burst. How many filled balloons did Surbhi have then? 18 minus 5, which is 13. Thus Surbhi had 13 filled balloons. Practice coach. I had 3 baskets of apples. A few apples fell out of each basket. Observe the pictures and write how many apples were left in each basket. One has been done for you. I had 17 apples in first basket, 17, and 3 fell on the ground, minus 3, which is 14 apples. I had 15 apples in the second basket and 2 fell down on the ground. 15 minus 2 which is 13 apples left. I had 16 apples in the third basket and 4 fell down on the ground. Minus 4 which is equal to 12 apples. Cross out to subtract. Anju collected 12 shells. 3 shells got washed away. How many shells were left with Anju? 12 minus 3 which is 9. Practice coach. Cross out 4 from each option and answer how many are left. One has been done for you. 16 minus 4, 12. 18 minus 4 which is 14. 14 minus 4, 10. 13 minus 4, 9. 12 minus 4, 8. 19 minus 4 which is 15. Draw sticks for the given numbers, then cross out to subtract. One has been done for you. 15 minus 6 which is 9. 12 minus 3 which is 9. 15 minus 8 which is 7. 13 minus 7 which is 6. 19 minus 3 which is 16. 17 minus 5 which is 12. Then comes the activity. Subtraction using the number strip. Subtract 17 minus 3, 17 minus 3. Keep your pencil on 17. Move backward 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 to reach 14. Thus 17 minus 3 which is 14. Use the number strip to subtract the following. 13 minus 2, 11. 16 minus 5, 11. 18 minus 7 which is 11. 14 minus 7 which is 7, 18 minus 5, 13, 19 minus 11 which is 8, 17 minus 4 which is 13, 18 minus 1 which is 17, 12 minus 6 is 6, 11 minus 3 is 8. Did you notice 11 minus 1 is 10, 12 minus 2 is 10, 13 minus 3 is 10, 14 minus 4 is 10, 15 minus 5 is 10, 16 minus 6 is 10. How quick are you? 20 minus 2, 18. 18 minus 4, 14. 12 minus 3, 9. 15 minus 5, 10. 20 minus 5, 15. 16 minus 5 which is 11. Add or subtract to find out what the tree wants to say by decoding the secret message. 14 plus 3. Here you need to decode the message. So when you decode this message, you will get plant a tree today to have a better tomorrow. Story sums, add or subtract. Read the stories, put plus or minus in the boxes as needed and then add or subtract. One has been done for you. There are 17 girls on a slide. 3 more join them. 17 plus 3. So, how many girls are there on the slide? It is 17 plus 3 which is 20. There are 19 children on the jungle gym. 2 come out of it. How many children are remaining on the jungle gym? 19 minus 2 which is 17. There are 14 swings in a park. 3 swings are broken. How many swings are in working condition? 14 minus 3 which is 11. There are 10 children standing in a queue. 5 more join them. How many children are there in a queue? 10 plus 5 which is 15. 3 children had 20 mushrooms set. They ate a few mushrooms. The mushroom left with each child are shown below. Write the subtraction fact for each set. One has been done for you. Child 1, child 2, child 3, 20 minus 8 which is 12, 20 minus 14 which is 6, 20 minus 16 which is 5. Then comes the project activity. Then comes the revision station. Circle the correct option. 15 minus 7 which is 8, 14 plus 3 which is 17, 8 plus 4 which is 12, 5 plus 13 which is 18, 9 plus 4 which is 13, 16 minus 2 which is 14. Add or subtract the following using the number strip. 15 plus 5, 20. 19 minus 5, 14. 18 minus 3, it should be 15. 14 plus 4, which is 18. And after writing your own problem, you can write there are 17 candies in the basket. Rima adds 3 more to it. How many candies are there? 17 plus 3, which is 20 candies. Next comes the worksheet. Color according to the color code. You can color it. For 0 blue, 4 red, 10 brown, 6 green, 3 orange, 7 yellow, 13 pink, 9 purple, 5 black. You can color this. This completes chapter 6.